special request, ginger garlic chicken. Hi, 你好, I'm Chef Tom. I'm going to show you how to make it. I preheat the frying pan nice and warm and hot. And here, I have some chicken, pretty cold chicken. We want to cook up the chicken first. We're going to stir fry the chicken to 90% cooked. Make sure your frying pan is hot. So we are actually stir fry the chicken. So if they have any juice or water in the meat, in the protein, it will evaporate, you know? So. When the sizzle sound is low, means the chicken is really cold. The frying pan actually reduces the heat, so I'm not going to stir it. Just let them sit there for a few seconds until the oil back to hot again. Here, I'm going to add a lot of ginger and garlic. Good for you. I have a lot of customers used to eat in my restaurant for the past 30 years, and then they move away. They homesick the recipe, so they want me to make it for him. See? Now the frying pan is hot. And the ginger garlic have a nice infused flavor of the chicken. And then here, I have some woodier mushroom, shiitake mushroom, green onion, carrot, bamboo shoot. Nice and hot. Oyster sauce, just a little bit. Oyster sauce for flavor. Okay? And then the hoisin sauce for sweetness. A little soy sauce. This is for ginger garlic. So we're gonna add some apple cider vinegar. Like that. To balance the sweetness, we have hoisin sauce and then a little bit honey or brown sugar. Eyeball it to taste, okay? Now you stir. See, you want to keep the frying pan nice and hot. Like this. So you can concentrate to build the flavor of your sauce. So I run out my sesame oil, so if you have, drizzle some. Here we go. This is your ginger garlic chicken. Now we are going to taste it. This is best to serve with rice. Ah, look at this, beautiful. The chicken, nicely done. Tender. First of all, hot. Got ginger garlic and the sweet and sour flavor with other umami combined. Delicious. The only thing I did not add is spiciness, which is the hot sauce. So woodier mushroom is good for you. And the carrot. Cut it small, easy to cook, still crunchy. There's the dish, is good to go. Now you can make this at home. I hope you like the video. I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I think his name is DJ. I see you next time. Bye.